Hello and welcome back to Copper.gravity. I have a shiny new workshop to show you. This is the backdrop. This is the area where I'll be doing all the filming of the RBS during the build and when it's finished and ready for sale. Got a new worktop that's actually flat and level and it doesn't have a great big dish in it, which means when the balls roll about, they actually roll in a straight line and they stop where they want to. I need to finish the RBS. I need to decide exactly where this is going. It's been so long I can't actually remember what I was doing. So the next few days I got to work out what's going on and basically get it finished. I need the ball loader. I need a big spiral thing. I'm probably going to do the triple gatherer up here. And I need a few more fingers on the chain in order to lift it up. So if you're watching these videos in a row, then you might not know, but I've had about 6 or 7 weeks off from actually working on this. I've had my summer holidays. During that time, I've built a camper van. I've been down to Bournemouth. I've been up to the top of the Isle of Skye. I went to a festival, and I've done the work on the workshop in the last week. So there's been a bit of a delay and a bit of incontinuity between the last video and this one. But I can't wait to get started. I can't wait to find out what I do and how well it goes. Got slightly few more clamps. I've bought some new ones of these because the old ones had all rusted up, so these are a bit easier. I've tidied up everything really. I've got some nice labelled drawers, so anyone knows 5S from Japanese engineering technology from factories, then everything's got a nice place. Everything's in its right place. So let's get soldering. Well, I admit I'm a little bit rusty with my soldering of copper wire. I made a terrible job of this in this joint and I don't really like the angles. I've made another one. So this one's much nicer, it's got really nice curves, hasn't got a horrible join, and this is the one I'm going to use. That'll give this nice kind of Y-shaped thing where the underside comes here and the top one comes around here, and then I can work on the ball gatherer at this end. And I think I've made another mistake already. The track spaces are designed to be lower than the balls, so that obviously the balls can go between them without catching. But I've put this pivot point, this axle, directly onto the track, forgetting that the balls have got to go over it. And the height that the balls hang down is too low, so that's actually bumping on the way over. Now they've probably got enough speed to go over on the way in like that, and the second one like that, and the third one won't go over. But then the weight of the third one is going to tip them, and I wonder if the balls will come out by themselves. No, see, the first one's gone ages ago, and the second and third one won't go because they're trapped. So I've made a trap. So got to do it all again. So here's the old one and the new one that I've just made. I've put a couple of these track spacer hoops on the bottom and then mounted the axle slightly lower down so the balls will now go over the top of it. This will get shorter when I know exactly how short it needs to be. I'll also give it a bit more of a nicer curve so the balls sit. Just touch my finger, I think. When the third ball drops, that releases the tipping arm, and the next copper track that I have to add will come all the way around, and it will duck and dive and go all the way around here, around the other side, and end up down here, ready for the ball loading device. So I've added more copper. I've done really well. I've learned how to solder again. It was a little bit rusty. I've got a little bit of a scrap pile coming along already, so that's quite nice. I'm enjoying the new bench. It's going very well. It's nice and clean, and yeah, I'm very happy, actually, very happy with my progress. So please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and you can like, comment and share this video around. That all helps the algorithm. I will see you on the next episode of the rolling ball sculpture number 3 soldering videos from me, Copper Gravity. See you next time. Bye.